To enter a safe mode on a Motorola Moto G15, first we'll need to call out our power menu. You can do it either by clicking on the power button and volume up button together, or you can hold power button in some cases and then your power menu should show up. So now we need to hold the power off button right here until our device reboots into safe mode, confirm it, and then wait till you can see a safe mode on the bottom of your screen. So let's just wait now. Here we have it, the safe mode is on. If you want to leave it, just reboot your device.